We've got our returning Kulvinder. This is the face of a 52-year-old. Look how beautiful. Natural volume. Still got lots of volume in the face. Looking amazing. We're just going to do a little touch up. So we just want to lift the cheek a little, restore the volume under the eyes, which doesn't look bad. And then a little bit around the nasolabial folds. And then the big thing that's going to make a difference aesthetically is definitely the shape of the chin. So one side rides up higher. So we just want to really feminize that chin.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
This line goes all the way down here, whereas goes to here, it's very soft. All right, come and take a look.
Amazing. It's really good. My goodness. Yeah. Love it.
So, like the shape of the lips, I love how we've been able to bring out that Cupid's bow. So this makes, it really feminizes your lips there. And then look at the chin shape. So it's obviously going to go more down, but can you see now how it's even and more narrow? So it kind of feminizes the face more.
Yeah, beautiful.